Welcome to my YouTube channel, Easy Speak Learner. Meet Pickle One, the AR glasses that claims to remember your life. Artificial intelligence is constantly being pushed into new products, but Meta was the first company to incorporate the technology into its augmented reality glasses. Now, a California based startup is jumping on board the bandwagon with Pickle One, a pair of AI powered augmented reality glasses. In a post on X, previously Twitter, the company said that unlike the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses, Pickle One is a soul computer in the sense that it will remember everything you see and do. The AR glasses run on Pickle OS, an in-house developed operating system which the company says seamlessly collects your context from every source every day and organizes as a single cluster. Pickle also claims that the operating system has infinity memory and can recall things you saw and heard when you need them. The AR glasses interact with users through a wide range of interactive avatars that can converse with them. It also has a built-in fingerprint sensor on the side of frame, meaning only the user will be able to unlock and use it. Also, unlike AI-powered smart glasses, which requires user to ask questions, Pickle says that the Pickle One sees things before you see it and anticipates that wearers' action in really them. It can also help users book rides, read messages, make reservations, and shop for things. However, to provide personalized recommendations, Pickle suggests that users wear the AR glasses for at least 3 hours a day and have over 50 or visual interactions. Weighing just 68 grams, the Pickle One feature a full color display and ultra fast computing with no latency. Powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset, the glasses have a 12-hour battery, meaning you can wear them all the day long without having to charge. Talking of privacy, Pickle claims its operating system encrypts data by default and decrypts it only inside a Harvard isolated enclave. The company goes on to say that when users interact with a third party applications, the data is neither retained nor used for training or any other purposes. Currently, Pickle One is open for pre-order for those living in the United States for $799 approx rupees 7200 with delivery starting in the second quarter of the year.